What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be discussing the Ford Bronco, pretty much just the stuff we know about it, and also how it's going to have a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine that is currently found in like the Ranger and the Mustang. Now first off, the 2.3 liter, how we know it's going to have it is because a Canadian parts source company, they posted some windshield wipers and listed underneath that, it was saying how it was for the 2.3 liter. So that's kind of confirming it. I mean, it's not officially confirmed, but it's pretty much confirmed. And this, I mean, to me, it's a little bit disappointing, but at the same time, I totally understand because Ford, they have to cater to the average person because not everyone who's going to be getting a Bronco is going to be, you know, this diehard Ford fan, this Bronco fan that, you know, experienced the 351 that it used to have. I mean, that engine back in the day was very, very cool. But what they're trying to do now is market the Bronco as almost like a competitor to the Jeep because the Jeeps, that's one of the vehicles that is really helping, or that's making a ton of money for Chrysler. Other engine options that are rumored are the 2.7 liter twin turbocharged V6, which, yes, it's still a V6, but that engine is a crazy engine. Has a ton of power, and that engine, I mean, it's going to get up and go. It's going to have roughly anywhere from 350 to 400 horsepower. So if they put it in there, that'd be really cool. That could be more of like a premium, more of the premium option, because there is a rumor, and all this is just speculation, but there's a rumor that there's going to be a Raptor-inspired Bronco that's going to be a more off-road, rock climbing Bronco. So if that's the case, that'd be really cool. And for the last option, there's, again, rumors that there could be a 5 liter, but that is most likely not going to happen. Me personally, I really think that would be the best option for them to, you know, throw a 5 liter in there because it has a ton of torque, has a ton of power, gas mileage isn't terrible, and I mean, it's going to have that classic V8 sound because one of my buddies from high school, he had a Bronco and that thing sounded amazing. Hands down, best sounding truck that was in the entire high school. So I hope they kind of have at least a V8 option. I mean, if not, I mean, I really hope they at very least have the 2.7 liter twin turbo, so at least have a little power. Now, as far as transmissions, it is going to have the 10-speed automatic. I mean, nothing wrong with that at all, but there is rumors that there is going to be a manual option for the Raptor-inspired off-road Bronco, so we'll just have to wait and see. I mean, nothing's confirmed. As far as any kind of confirmation from Ford, they're most likely going to do something next year at the Detroit Auto Show. And then we can expect it to actually be officially released late 2020. So, I mean, this is really cool. I mean, I've always been a fan of the Broncos because, I mean, it's just that styling they have. And along with the two-door Bronco, there are rumors that there is going to be a four-door Bronco with the, for the Raptor-inspired Bronco. So that would be cool too. I mean, it kind of sucks that all we have right now are rumors, but these are reliable sources. Apparently the source that they're getting all the information from is inside Ford, but they don't want to release their name, which is totally understandable. I mean, you're leaking all this kind of information from Ford, but I just really can't wait to see what the official, well, for one, what the styling is going to be, all the options, the engine. So we're going to find out before too long, but I mean, what do y'all think? Should there be a V8? Are they messing up by having the entry level be a 2.3 liter? Because with that 2.3 liter, I mean, yeah, it's a 4-cylinder, but it has plenty of power, like 310 horsepower in the Mustangs. So, I mean, I'm not too terribly torn that it has a 4-cylinder. It's just, for me, the thing I'm going to miss is the sound. Because, heck, I mean, have all the power in the world, it's just that sound, the V8 sound, that's going to be a little disappointing. And it's kind of crazy that Ford's actually been able to keep all the information regarding to the Bronco under wraps. The only real information we have is, you know, leaks. As far as pictures, we do have one picture of the official styling. That is the covered picture, which is right here. I mean, you can kind of tell what it's going to look like. And then the only other way that we've been able to see the Bronco without that cover on it is in a movie called Rampage, where there was a Bronco in it, but from what I hear, it's not going to be that exact model. They just throw it in there just as like a teaser, you know, kind of get everybody ready for it. But hey, it's definitely working. There's a ton of hype for the Bronco, and really, I can't wait for it to come out. I mean, hey, I'm all about Mustangs, but I am a huge Ford fan. I'm a huge car fan in general, so I mean, hey, I just can't wait to find out more information about the Bronco, but let me know what y'all think about everything that has to do with the Bronco. Did I leave out any kind of information or anything? If so, just comment down below what I missed. But stay tuned to this channel because this weekend I'm getting my hands on a brand new Ford Bronco. I don't know, not Bronco, Raptor. I was talking Broncos the entire time, but got my hands on a brand new Ford Raptor. I mean, twin turbocharged V6. I'm excited to drive it. Well, I've already driven it. It's just now I'm not going to do a video on it. So stay tuned for that. It's coming this weekend. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.